In this video I'm going to show you how to download the Actions and Stuff pack for free on the Nintendo Switch 2. In my last video I showed you a way how you could try the Action and Stuff pack for free for 30 days. But if you do this way, you're really gonna have the Actions and Stuff pack for a lifetime. So what we need to do first is we need to switch to our laptop. And on our laptop type in Microsoft Rewards. Select the first one. Make sure you are signed in. For this you need a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, just simply make one, it's really easy. So what we need to do to earn points is we need to click here on Rewards. And on the home menu there are all kinds of different tasks we can do. Some tasks are bigger than others, but that's why it also differs how many points you get for each task. So how it works is that you are using Microsoft products, and in reward Microsoft gives you points that you then can redeem to Minecoins. So let's just do a task, take the tour. Awesome, and now already we earned 50 points. I don't really even know what I did, but we got 50 points. The key is to do this daily. The more you are on Microsoft Rewards, the more points you also get. You also see then if you are here daily, you get the streak bonus. If you only do this sometimes, once a week, then this method is not gonna work. It is only gonna work if you stay consistent. And when you got enough points to buy the Actions and Stuff pack, go to redeem. And as you see with the points, you can buy all kinds of things. So you can buy, for example, an Xbox Game Pass. You can buy some Robux. You can buy coins for Overwatch. And if you are on Microsoft Rewards and you're like, but where is the Minecoins options? So in some countries it is possible to redeem the points to Minecoins, and in other countries there is no option for it. It's not possible. So I live in the Netherlands, and unfortunately in the Netherlands it is not possible to redeem the points to Minecoins. I know, for example, that in the USA it is possible. So if you're in the USA, guys, you're lucky, and check for yourself if in your country it is possible. So guys, this method costs time, but it works, and it is a way how you could get the Actions and Stuff pack for free.